Welcome back to Dreamy's Country Kitchen. Today we are preparing banana pudding cookies. It's summertime. All these summer flavors are going around, so I decided to do banana this week. Stay tuned. Our ingredients. I don't have one of them listed. You definitely want a banana pudding Jello packet. I have flour, I have baking soda, baking powder, brown sugar, eggs, room temperature butter, vanilla, banana extract, vanilla wafers, and chessmen. I am going to begin by adding my sugar and butter into the bowl and having that cream for at least 5 to 6 minutes. I actually changed my mind on using room temperature butter and went in with brown butter instead. But you can use either or either for this recipe. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of banana extract. You can change the extracts and the measurements to your liking. I always do a tablespoon or more of vanilla, depends on your liking. And I'm going to go ahead and add in those 2 eggs. Now for our dry mixture, this is the flour, the Jello pudding, baking powder, and baking soda. I'm going to add in a little bit of crushed Nila wafers. Okay, this is how the dough looks. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. After the dough is done chilling, scoop out your mixture. You can add a little bit of cookies on top if you want. And I'm going to put it in the oven on 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. My cookies came out of the oven. They've already cooled, so now I'm just going to add a little bit of glaze on top. This is optional, you don't have to, but I like a little bit of glaze on top of my cookies. So I'm just doing a little bit of a drizzle. Thank you for tuning in today and watching this recipe. I hope you enjoyed. Consider subscribing. Come back for more. Shalom.